quick video here. Just got in a 15 335i that's lowered. Nice suspension, nice forged wheels, Titan7, I'm sorry, T55 wheels, large brake kit, carbon fiber mirror covers, tinted windows, brand new General G-Max tires, carbon fiber spoiler. I'll put a link to these products in the description below if you guys are interested. The wheels, the spoiler, front lip, mirror covers, that kind of stuff. It also has the WeatherTech floor mats, 6-speed manual. The car does have 116,000 miles on it. We're asking $19,900 for it. If you want a car you can jump in, take to a car show with some respect. Nice clean car, not overdone. You know, clean mods, good mods. Just carbon fiber stuff here and there. Nice forged wheels. Even has the carbon fiber over the grill there. But if you're interested, like I said, cars for sale, $19,950 on our website. I'll put a link to that below. Also, I'll link the aftermarket products below if you're interested in buying any of those as well. Thanks for watching, guys.